This is a class flow presentation where the students participated in a scavenger hunt, familiarizing themselves with the nonfiction section of the library. We started with a book. We read a little bit of Ira Sleeps Over to give them a suggestion that they might want to check that book out. I went around, asked them their names, and one thing they can't sleep without, and that goes with the book because Ira can't sleep without his teddy bear. This is a reading program that Mrs. Grindle does, and the students can earn a ticket to Schlitterbahn for reading. And this is what one of her, it's kind of like a bingo card. So, they have to complete 2 of the lines. This is another reading program. It doesn't go with Schlitterbahn. It's a separate deal. This is what the sheet of paper that they get looks like for the scavenger hunt. I'll come back to that. The first thing we did was we logged into the tablet and they found the e-library. That's directions on how to do that. And I showed them, we're going to go to visual search, and then they got to pick whatever they wanted to look for, whatever topic. They did this with a partner. And these are the final directions. But this is the sheet that they filled out together. So, I did an example for them. I also did an example with them and filled this out, went through the process on the board, and then they got with a partner and did it themselves.